4 degrees now. And look at that. Rainbow over there. Wow. It's going to be fun. Our next destination is the biggest of all the Hawaiian islands, the Big Island. Taking a 40-minute flight out of Oahu, we landed at Ellison Onizuka Kona International Airport. Beauty of this island starts to speak for itself right away. Getting off at the airport and heading straight for Mauna Kea. Hello there, folks. Well, we are in Kailua Kona now, island number 2. As you saw that we just landed in Kailua Kona, and renting a car took a while. I'll tell you that a little bit about that. That was a little time consuming because of COVID-19 restrictions, so and flights are coming from all around the world. We just hopped from one island to another. First we were Honolulu, as you saw the videos, and then we are in Kona, Kailua Kona right now, and going to Mauna Kea, the summit observatory. But the bummer is, you know, they update their automated message every morning, and this morning the message says that it's closed due to bad conditions like icy roads and low visibility. So we're going there anyway, and I think we won't be able to go beyond visitor center. So we thought, let's take a chance. If, you know, we can walk around, look at the critters, or explore whatever we can explore while we're there, and we'll find out. Another interesting thing is, here right now you see 83. When we landed it was 90. So it's like fluctuating between 83, 86, 90. It was very hot. It has a feeling and looks of Vegas, Utah, Arizona kind of desertous kind of look. And we're going up the summit where they closed because of icy conditions. So I'm thinking what kind of fluctuation we're gonna meet, we're gonna see. We'll see you there. Mauna Kea is the highest point in all of Hawaiian Islands and second highest peak of an island that hosts observatories. And of course, due to most favorable observing conditions. Wow. This is on the drive to Mauna Kea summit. And these are the views. And by the way, Mauna Kea is also a dormant volcano. We could see this volcano all the way, with its seasonal snow-covered cap. Views all along were majestic and unbelievable. Rainbows so thick and colorful that we had never seen before. As you head towards Mauna Kea, you can never be sure if the weather will still allow you to go all the way, until you get to the visitor center. Climate here can change from clear to a zero visibility snow blizzard in no time. Climbing almost 14,000 feet in less than 2 hours seems crazy, and the temperatures can vary from 85 degrees Fahrenheit at the airport to snowstorms at the peak. Because of the unfavorable conditions, we stopped at the visitor center just 8.6 miles short of the summit. Well, that was a bummer. Look at the weather. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Anyway, look at the temperature. 44. And you know what it was before. 86, 85? Around that, double. So it dropped half. Now we're still like 25 minutes away from the summit. We're still like 25 minutes away from the summit. And it's close. We cannot go any further because, and they're anticipating another week of same nasty weather. I guess unsafe, so liability issues. Well, क्या हो सकता है? Well, it's a bummer. Cannot go any further. Conditions are unsafe, rangers say. It was still 20 minutes further up. Let's imagine how much colder would it be over there. This is who I am right now. And a few minutes ago, you saw it was 86, 87 degrees. Down there, when we landed it was 95. Then, you know, as we kept climbing, it kept lower, 43 now. And further up, 20 minutes further drive. And when I say 20 minutes, it's a huge climb. Like the whole thing is like 8,000 something feet. I can correct me if I'm wrong. And imagine, and the climb is very steep. So as we couldn't go up, we were told that there's a little trail out here, which we can go and explore. How amazing is that?